Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Tsuyu's fortune analysis. Tzuyu of Twice looked so pretty and straight that I was curious about her fortune. I was wondering what kind of fortune it is to come to foreign countries and gain popularity. The most noticeable thing in Tsuyu's fortune is the 3 letters in the picture. These letters mean popularity, and there are 3. Tzuyu has 1, 2, 3 popular characters. What a fortune! The letter referring to herself, in accordance with her modest appearance, is negative fire. It's usually compared to candles. It fits well with blinking all night and thinking. It may seem a little passive. Above all, if she came to a foreign country, there should be a word for activity. There are 2. 1, 2. It means money and space. It also means business-like temperament and mathematical temperament or mathematical ability. And for Tzuyu, it means that the space to be active, my stage, her stage. It also means a large space from Taiwan to Korea. Then, she needs her strength to control her space and money. There's fire in the most powerful position. It empowers her with the letters that correspond to athletes, and it is also excellent in physical intelligence. It's a good quality that gives confidence, independence, and self-esteem. In order to perform various movements of dance, it would be better to have strong words that determine physical intelligence. However, she needs an artistic temperament. There is this too. She is innocent among her talents. And this is the next letter that's right next to it. It is empowering her to accumulate her wealth one by one. The harder she works, the more money she earns, the more money she collects purely from her own. And the temperament that supports her is below it. It also means that the mother's role is good. It's a character that's loved by seniors and superiors, and it's a character that someone takes care of. It is a good letter for knowledge acquisition and academic acceptance. In short, it's a fortune that uses what she has learned well. I've taken the job role of a businesswoman. There may be letters for husband and honors in letters for the time of birth, but I think it would be good to supplement water energy by wearing black accessories because black color means water energy. But Tsuyu's fortune analysis starts now. Tzuyu has a very good fortune structure. The letter pink in the middle is the most important location, which means her money and her physical intelligence. Physical intelligence is very important for an idol singer, whose dance is important. And the money, which is the result of her activities, must be very important. These letters are supported by the letters on the right in the direction of the blue arrow. There are letters on the right that support them with confidence. So her money and her physical intelligence will work harder. But just as a gemstone needs to be crafted, these letters also need energy to enhance their value and make them useful. Are there any such letters? Yes. It controls letters above in the direction of the red arrow right below. It's a very beautiful structure, but it's the feeling of being able to control her own energy and increase her value. But you cannot see it. It is assumed that the question mark position, which means the time of birth, may contain that energy. It is her honor as well as her husband. Tsuyu's fortune is a good fortune structure that looks like nothing is lacking if water energy exists in birth time. It looks like it's psychologically comfortable, so there seems to be no problem. However, since the strongest position is fire, I think there will be some urgent personality like fire. I think she cannot help but be greedy and impatient because of the money and fire energy. It was a very beautiful fortune to match your beautiful appearance. Subscribe, thumbs up please. I'm Ligo. Thank you very much. Bye.